Hi everyone, it's Eva and welcome to my channel Revit Plus. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to print out in PDF with BIM numbering. And I know it's really tedious too when you have to print out all your drawings with your BIM numbering and you don't have the way how to do it and you have to click all this by hand. Is really annoying. Don't do that, please. Okay, so let's start it. How can we print out PDF with the whole BIM numbering? It's very easy. Okay, first we are going to go to the website and it's the roots, and we are going to download ProSheets, which is free, by the way. It's a free use, and as well you can download for free as well in Autodesk apps. As well, you have it there, and as well, if you really like and it makes your life easier, you can donate as well money here. Okay, it's a fantastic tool. And by the way, I'm not taking any credits. I'm not working for this company. It's just it's really useful for my work, and that's why I recommend you. Okay, so it's self-explanatory. Just download the app and then just click in the file exit and then execute the command, and it's done. You can go to your Revit model and then you will have it after add-ins. Is called the roots ones. Is this one here? Okay, so that's the PDF. That is an example, architectural example with a lot of sheets that we need to print out with BIM convention. And if we click here, how we can see, that's my BIM convention, which is a project reference, project originator, zone, level, type, discipline, and number. Okay, so that's all what I need to print out in PDF and name my PDF with this BIM numbering. Okay, so let's start it. So let's just go to ProSheets. And then in ProSheets, automatically it will read all the drawings that you have in your Revit. So, and then here we need to add all the parameters. So, because for now it's just only reading the sheet number by default, but we want all. So we are going to click here in this little pencil here, and how you can see all the parameters here. If you don't see or some parameters are missing, just click here, because normally it's just click here, it will add more parameters to your file. Okay, so how we need to find our parameter first. Okay, the first one is project reference, the second is originator, and the third is zone. We are going to just scroll up. Just give me a second. Zone, that's number third. Next is level. So we are going to find out what is level. Okay, it's up. Sorry about that. Level here. That's level. And then type. We need to write type. Next is sheet discipline. Here, sheet discipline. And the last, but not least, sheet number is here. Sheet number here. Done. We have all our parameters. Say OK. And boom, here are all the parameters that we need to print out as a PDF with all these numbers. Okay, first, before move on, just save it. Save this. So we are going to create a profile here, and we are going to click here in plus. We are going to say, for example, BIM numbering. Create. We will save it in, well, for example, yes, we can save it for now here. That's fine. We can save it here. Save it. And now we are going to say we want all these drawings. So we are going to check all of them. Yes. And then say next. Okay, so here is where the magic happens. We can just export to PDF and add the same time DWG, DGN, and all of these extensions. So that's fantastic for us. And each print is doing at the same time. So it's super, super fast. Okay, so for now, we are just going to do PDF. And one thing that you need to consider is it has to be center. By default, we set that it's going to be the size is A1, is reading automatically the size. So in format, we need to say that it's going to be center, no margin, and zoom 100% because that's the size, the real size of the PDF of the sheet. So that's why it has to be zoomed 100%. And all these parameters, they are okay and they are fine. And now we are going to click in next. And then we can see here that we have all our parameters, and here is fantastic because when we will click in create, you will see the progress of each of PDF. So, and here you can, if you want, you can set paper size. We know that is A1. And for the orientation, we know that it's going to be landscape. Okay, ready. So now we are going to create this. We are going to click in create. And by default, it's going to save it, all the PDF in this folder here. I forgot to tell you, but you can change the folder and you can just select your folder. But for now, for me, it's okay. In the roots, pro sheets, I will have all my PDF. Okay, so how you can see here, number 1 is complete. It's doing number 2, and it's going to do all of this like this. One thing that I recommend you is that don't use the Revit when it's creating the PDF, because sometimes it occurred to me that just I frozen my Revit. So don't just leave the app open and with clear path until it's complete the whole work. Okay. So now we see that just we have 4, we have a number 5, and it's coming our last PDF. We have 83% complete, and boom, 100% complete. Okay, so. And as well, it's going to ask you open folder. So which is this folder here? Yes, by default, I'm going to say open folder. And if you can see here, that's my open folder. And boom, this is something that I did in the past. Omit that, so we can delete that. And boom, look, all the PDF with my bin numbering convention, which is great. It's absolutely great. And we can check. That's fantastic. Yes, the title block is centered. It's an A1 size. That's perfect. Fantastic. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like, click on like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.